So I saw your question about 6.3. In a survey, I guess you surveyed 2,217 adults in a recent year. 1,351 of them say they have made a New Year's resolution. Construct a 90 and a 95% confidence interval for the population proportion. Interpret the results. Okay, so I guess we're working on the first part here. So you can do this by hand with tables, but StatCrunch is a pretty easy way to do it. So this time you want to click on Stat, then you click on Proportion. You have to go down to Proportion Stat, then one summary, one sample with summary. So it's one sample proportion summary. So go to the stat proportion stats. Then you just input the data. This is how many said they made the New Year's resolution. This is how many you surveyed, the number in sample space. And you want to construct a 90% confidence interval. That's what it says. Click compute here, and it'll give you the lower and the upper bounds, and you just round them to 3 places. So, it'll do all the calculations for you. Hope that helps.